Emily from EmilyTube HD, and we're doing the behind the scenes for the dogs. And my mom is playing guitar back there. She's right there. And this is our table, and yeah, this is kind of our dining room. Well, I'm wearing my church pajamas. So this is EmilyTube Raw, and please subscribe. But also, I'll just like take a quick look at my dogs, and this place is called Wondrous. Hi, say hi. Hi. Okay, and there's kind of stain on this girl. This one. There's a stain. Somehow it got on this. But just please subscribe and leave a comment below.